In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Apple CarPlay not working. First, launch your settings. Now, enable airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. This refreshes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections and often resolves temporary sync issues. Now, scroll down and head over to the option General. Then, click on the option VPN and Device Management and temporarily disable any VPN, as VPNs can interfere with CarPlay connectivity. After that, head back. Click on the option Accessibility, scroll down, click on the option Vocal Shortcut and turn it off, since this feature can sometimes cause Bluetooth conflicts. Now go back to the main page of settings, click on the option Bluetooth, find your car under My Devices, tap on the eye icon next to it and choose Forget this device, then reconnect your car from scratch. If CarPlay still does not work, head back, go to General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just install it. Then fully shut down and restart your iPhone. This simple step fixes more issues than most people expect. You may also want to restart your car system at the same time. As a final step, go to General, transfer Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. This won't erase your data, but it will reset all network connections, including Bluetooth and CarPlay, giving you a clean reconnection that usually restores CarPlay functionality. So that's a wrap for this video. With these tips, your Apple CarPlay should work. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.